This is code.org, and we are building a playlist. But run, it does stuff. Now we need to make it do other things. I know, great intro. All right, assign values to the list from the data set. So we have these user stories, which are always nice to have the perspective of the quote-unquote customer. It's really popular in computer programming and CS jobs in general to have these. So once you become super wealthy and you're working at Facebook or Google or something like that, oftentimes stories are organized like this. Not always, but often. All right, so what do they want? Open the viral 50 USA dataset. So where the heck are they talking about data mode? They're hiding it right up here, right? So we got code mode, we got design mode, we don't need that. Data. All right, and now since we're in here, we need to find viral USA. I'm guessing that's Spotify charts, and it is. Viral USA, last updated 2 years ago, so I guess it's not that viral, but let's go ahead and hit, oh wait, viral, yes, and hit import. Once we hit import, guys, it's right here, and we can actually look at this data, right? So I can just scroll through, big list of stuff. Cool. All right, so that's looking good. Open the document, yep, and read through it. Obviously, we have songs, we have the artist, and the position that they were currently on. So, initialize the songs artist list using the get columns. Oh, we're back to code. So that we can do. So, what are they talking about? We have variables, songs right here, artists, and index, but they are not initialized. Initialization means they're declared, but they aren't given a value yet. So this is creating the variable. This would be to initialize it. If I go down here and I say songs equals X. Whoops, X. That doesn't work actually, but that's initialization. We have two approaches. Since they've already declared it, we could just use the equal sign, songs equals, and then assign it a value since it's already a var up here. And what we're going to use to assign it a value is get columns. So I'm going to head over to data. Boop. And now, guys, this is not going to work. So I'm going to click here and say choose. Notice I have viral USA. If you do not have viral USA, you got to head back over to data. Make sure you find the viral USA data set and import it. So viral USA. And then what column do I want for songs? I'm going to just take a guess that it's track name, right? And I bet it says that. It does right here. So you could do it like this. This is correct, right? Because songs is declared up here and it's initialized here. However, I'm going to do it the more simplistic way and kind of the standard approach. I'm going to do it all at once. So I'm going to go ahead and kill off my extra songs and var songs. So now I have the declaration and then this equal sign, the initialization, all in one spot. Great. And now we're going to do the same for artists. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll do that and talk about it in a sec. And there we are, same deal. And what this is going to do, guys, is it is headed over to our data set. Whatever column, when we hit run, it says songs. What the heck should songs be? Oh, it needs to be equal to get column viral 50 USA, the track name. Well, what's viral USA? Smack. Oh, smack. And track name. Boom. So then it grabs these as a big list and says, oh, that's what I need. And that's what songs is going to be equal to. Same here, it's going to be equal to a list of all the artists. Initialize the index variable. Select somewhere between 0 and artist, that's the length of the list. For example, index equals 10. They just want us to have a starting value for that. I'll just steal their 10 number. No, I won't. I'm going to be rebellious. I'm going to do 3. Ooh. Okay, and now let's go ahead and test our code. So we're going to head over to our debug console. Now, if I hit run, this runs, but we're not going to see anything, right? We've assigned these, but we're not using them yet. So now in the debug console, what I'm going to do is go ahead and write something like this. Let's give these a shot. Let me run. Interesting that index isn't working. Regardless, we can see our variables are declared and are working. Cool. Let's keep going.